Let's make granola sundaes. And this recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need a 6-ounce container of low-fat plain or vanilla yogurt, a 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen fruit, a 1/4 cup of low-fat granola cereal. You will also need a serving bowl, spoon, and measuring cups. First, always wash your hands and surfaces before working with food. If using fresh fruit, be sure to wash it as well. Spoon the yogurt into a serving bowl. And top the yogurt with fruit and granola. Enjoy! Refrigerate leftovers immediately.